The Arduino Student Kit is our first learn-at-home program. It requires no prior coding or electronics experience, and it follows the US Common Standards. The kit includes hardware, software, and access to an online platform, with 9 easy-to-follow step-by-step lessons, 2 open-ended projects, invention spotlights, further information, and a logbook for students to print and fill in. Each kit comes with all the materials for one student. When opening the box, you can find instructions to get started with the code registration. Here you can also see the contents of the box. Inside the box includes Arduino UNO Rev 3 board. The Arduino UNO is the best board to get started with electronics and coding. The UNO is the most used board for the whole Arduino family. A breadboard with solid core jumper wires for better circuit wiring. A box with smaller components, such as resistors, LEDs, piezos, etc., to complete the activities inside the lessons. A 9-volt battery, a small servo motor to add mobility to your projects, a USB cable to connect the Arduino board, a multimeter with connectors and instructions, and lastly, the kit includes a mounting base for the board to facilitate the management of the wire. Now you're ready to get started with your own Arduino Student Kit.